So in this video, you'll learn how to zoom on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So whether you want to make your screen zoom bigger or smaller, then what you're going to do is just to navigate to settings, and then under settings, you then want to scroll and select display. From display, you're then going to look for screen zoom and you're going to tap on it. And then you should see the preview at the top with a slider underneath that you're going to be using to change the screen zoom. So in order for you to do so, you're just going to hold on this handle and then just drag it around the slider, and you can see the different sizes changing in the preview. Once you find the size that you would prefer to use, you're just going to let go of the slider, and then the changes will be applied onto your phone after a few seconds. So now you can see we've successfully zoomed into the screen of your Samsung Galaxy phone. If you want to zoom out, you can just go back to the slider, zoom out until you find your perfect spot, let go of the slider, and the changes will be applied. So it's up to you to decide which option you'd prefer to use on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.